currently working as an AI and DevOps engineer at Ambilio. For this demonstration, I will be demonstrating regarding the Sandbox which we provide. We provide an Ubuntu desktop where a certain user may create an instance, and all the users may also create an instance where they can run a certain VM on the cloud itself. And inside the VM, there are multiple tools and instances which they can create, and they will be particularly isolated and stored persistently. So whatever the progress which you do, including the VS Code tools and other tools which we provide, including the cloud, and all those things will be isolated and completely persistent. So whatever the user wants to use, they may simply use it, and whenever they close an instance, it will still be persisted if they come back. So we give the support for multiple tools, including the VS Code which I am currently demonstrating, and there is also a Python support on the Sandbox. So a user may create multiple instances, multiple plugins, and all the other things, and it will be persisted even if you close and reopen it. We also provide the Google Cloud, so you will have access to the browser and internet. So here you will get a credential MD file where a user will have different Azure credentials. So each of the user will have different credential. The user account is created with a different resource map on the Azure itself under the tenant account, and they have a limited access to the cloud itself. And in the cloud, they will have this portal which they can open, and each of the user will have different usernames. So whatever they create, it won't the other user won't be able to basically use it out. So put the username and password. We will be able to log in. Yes. So similarly, in this case, we provide the MD file for each of the users. You won't be able to copy paste anything outside the instance or inside the instance. So it is completely isolated from the host device which you are currently using, and it is currently completely working on the cloud itself. So you won't be able to do any kind of copy paste or drag and drop your files, or any kind of files is not won't be visible on your VM itself. It is completely isolated, and it has persistent database for the users, which they may use even after their work is done on the instance or they close the instance. Thank you.